Welcome back to Infinity Beyond, your quiet escape into the mysteries of the cosmos. Tonight, we drift toward one of the most enigmatic, haunting, and beautiful phenomena in the universe, the black hole. It has no surface, no edge you can touch, no way to see what lies inside. And yet, it may be the key to understanding time, space, and perhaps even what lies beyond them. Let's begin with the basics. A black hole forms when a massive star dies. After burning its fuel, the star collapses under its own gravity. If the core is heavy enough, no known force can stop it. The collapse continues until the matter is crushed into an infinitely small point, a singularity. Surrounding it is the event horizon, the point of no return. Cross it, and even light cannot escape. That's why black holes are invisible. But we know they exist because of how they affect the world around them. We see stars orbiting nothing, gas spiraling inward, heating up, glowing. We even captured an image of one, a bright ring of light surrounding darkness, using a global network of telescopes. That was M87, a supermassive black hole 55 million light-years away, larger than our entire solar system. And at the center of our own Milky Way, there's another, Sagittarius A. Quiet, dormant. But there, black holes come in many sizes. Some are a few times the mass of the Sun. Others, millions or billions of times more massive. And they may not just destroy. They may shape. Supermassive black holes anchor galaxies. Their gravity holds star systems in place. Their feeding cycles regulate star formation. They are cosmic engines, silent but essential. And yet, the mystery deepens. Time behaves strangely near a black hole. The closer you get, the slower time moves, until it nearly stops at the event horizon. To a distant observer, someone falling in would appear frozen in time, forever just outside the edge. But to the one falling, they'd pass through without noticing, drifting into darkness, toward the singularity. No one knows what happens inside. Our physics breaks down. General relativity predicts one thing. Quantum mechanics suggests another. And reconciling them, that's one of the greatest unsolved challenges in science. Some theorists suggest black holes may be gateways, portals to other parts of the universe, or even to other universes entirely. Wormholes, bridges through space-time. Concepts once limited to science fiction now emerge from equations. Others think black holes may not destroy information at all. Instead, they might store it, encoded in the quantum ripples on their surface. This leads to the black hole information paradox, a puzzle debated for decades. Even stranger, black holes evaporate. Yes, over immense timescales, black holes emit radiation, called Hawking radiation, predicted by Stephen Hawking in the 1970s. They lose mass, they shrink, they die, but slowly, so slowly. A black hole the size of the Sun would take longer than the age of the universe to evaporate. And yet it will. In the far future, when all stars have gone dark, black holes will be the last to remain, slowly fading into silence. They are the end, and possibly since a beginning. Tonight, as you prepare to sleep, imagine standing at the edge of a black hole. You gaze into the void, and it gazes back. Around you, space is warped, light bends, and time slows. You feel the tug, but you are safe. Just beyond the horizon, infinity waits. Let it remind you, even the darkest places hold wonder. Even the most terrifying ideas carry beauty. Black holes are not to be feared. They are to be understood. They teach us humility. They stretch our minds, and they whisper of truths not yet grasped. So sleep now, traveler of thought. The universe still has secrets, and you're listening